Let's be honest, life can be hard, it can be chaotic, it can be overwhelming. Maybe it's the day-to-day grind. Maybe it's work stress. Maybe it's anxiety we're experiencing. We're really not sure where it's coming from, but it seems to bleed into every area of our lives. Maybe it's overwhelming emotions or relationship issues. I mean, the list goes on and on. Simply put, life can be hard. During these seasons, during these moments where things feel overwhelming or difficult, how do we manage this? Is there a way to handle it better? Is there a way to handle it more effectively? The answer is likely yes, and this is one of the reasons why we really like to use DBT, or Dialectical Behavior Therapy, at our practice. It's an evidence-based intervention shown to be effective for a variety of different issues, whether it be anxiety or depression, impulsivity, substance use, ADHD, the list goes on and on. Most likely, DBT can be helpful in helping you manage that effectively. DBT was originally designed around the late 70s, early 80s by a person named Dr. Marshall Lenehan, and since that time, it's been studied extensively and shown to be effective in treating a variety of different issues. And even if you're not dealing with any acute issues, DBT can still help you improve your day-to-day life. And this is because DBT consists of 4 main components that really do touch on every area of someone's life. And these 4 components are mindfulness, emotion regulation, interpersonal effectiveness, and distress tolerance. And underneath those 4 main components are a variety of skills and tools. DBT does a really good job of taking heady concepts like mindfulness or interpersonal effectiveness and packaging them into understandable and actionable components. So for example, there's a skill called mindfulness of current thoughts, and this really helps with things like anxiety and impulsivity and a bunch of other things as well. And we're able to take this skill and teach it to clients so that they're better able to be in the present moment. They're able to understand what kind of thoughts are running through their mind, how to relate to those thoughts, and then how to act accordingly in ways that are congruent with the core values or the life that they want to live. And they're no longer dictated by every thought that runs through their head. And so we find this to be a really helpful skill that we teach often in DBT. And this is just one example. So whether or not it's something like mindfulness or even something like a relationship issue or maybe just anxiety or something like that, we can find a DBT skill that will help. And so this is why we like to use DBT at PRGRS Therapy. It's because it works and it's applicable to so many different areas of someone's life. And it's also actionable. So these are things we can do like today, right? If we're dealing with anxiety or relationship issues, we can often find a DBT skill that you can begin applying right away. I mean, who doesn't like that? And the other thing to know is that at PRGRS Therapy, everyone has training in DBT and does ongoing learning in the field of DBT. We want to make sure we're staying up to date and informed about best practices. And in addition to being well trained, we also accept insurance at PRGRS Therapy. We're happy to verify any insurance you might have as a courtesy before you ever commit to a session. Additionally, we do offer virtual services to anyone located in the state of New York because we want to make sure that anyone who wants to can access DBT therapy around their schedule at a time that works. We also start with a totally free, no commitment necessary phone consultation so we can learn a little bit more about what you're looking for, what you're going through, and you can hear a bit more about our practice and ask any questions you might have. If you're interested in getting started with DBT therapy at PRGRS Therapy, book your free consultation down below. There's a link. You can click that and schedule at your earliest convenience. We hope to speak to you soon.